Back on the main trail, 8 o'clock this morning. Leaving Range Line Lake. Trail's really nice right here. Really nice. Nice Norway pine. We're on the lookout for the 3 sentinels, 3 big white pines that are supposed to be here. Yeah, there we go. There's an area in here where a lot of big trees have blown down, being root balls. Here's another one. This wasn't even that big of a tree, but it sure took a bunch of dirt with it. Yep. The wind is not nice sometimes. Yeah, it's a big pine. Hard to see with scale, but 3-footer. Jeez. Broke off right over the trail. Hope it doesn't fall on me. Oh yeah. Wow. This area really got hit. Finally got up that hill. Wow, it's quite a hill. Big grove of white pines we're in. Far as you can see. Well, these are probably the 3 sentinels, we think. Big white pines. One of them's dead. Oh yeah, these are pretty substantial in size. Crossing Posse Creek, and that's Hustler Lake. Nice little bridge. This is Posse Creek. Another stream crossing here by Hustler Lake. I don't know what this is called. Flows into a little backwater. There's the lake right there. Yeah, not the easiest one. The Hustler Lake campsite, north one. Stopped to get a little snack, mix up a drink, and lube my feet. Future reference, it's really a nice one. Dave's kicking back. Hey Dave, why is your boot all muddy? Oh, never mind.
Just the one.
Couple of deer flies. Quite a few obstacles like that. There's a couple of deer flies here, huh? It's crazy. It's a pretty spot. Too bad the flies are so bad. Yeah, I don't know. They have been pretty bad the whole time, but this is a little crazy in this spot. Top of the mountain here. Lots of mud holes like this to get around. Back uphill. A massive hike up here. We're still going up. Here we are in Emerald Lake. Dave, you stopped to have some lunch. The portage comes in down, or excuse me, the hiking trail crosses down here, and you take a little spur trail off through the woods here, and hard to follow. But having some Camp Chow chicken Alfredo rice. Some grape drink. What are you making, Dave?
It's like it's chili mac or something like that.
Chili mac. Sounds scary.
Yeah.
We're not sharing a tent, thank God. Deer flies still aren't leaving us alone out here. There's that pretty little island over there. Great campsite. Yeah, this campsite here on Emerald just kind of keeps going and going. It's beautiful in here. Actually got perfect weather today. Pretty nice. Finally back in the pines and some high country again. Between Emerald and halfway to Agawado, it's just hazel brush and poplar trees. This is fairly large white pines in here mostly. The deer flies are just crazy. I hardly hold the camera. They just land on you like crazy. Getting close to Agawado Lake on the trail. Just to the north of it is this amazing bald rock peak that the trail comes right up over top of. Here's a big cairn somebody has made. Way up here. The deer flies followed us up here even in the sun. Wow. Black spruce swamp down there. Pretty cool. Might be able to see them buzzing around me. They're not too bad on me right now. On the hands though. Agawado Lake campsite. Was here 2 years ago. Here's a view from my tent on Agawado Lake, or vestibule put up a little bit so that I can see out and try to get a little more ventilation. It's been so calm, not a ripple on the water as you can see, and it causes a lot of condensation water inside the tent and stuff. Sunset down there, kind of funny. I'm on a precarious side hill. All my gear piled up in here. Kinda funny. But I'm on such a side hill, everything wants to move. Right here's a big old rock. I'm sitting on a big old root. But it'll work out. I'm going to stick some extra padding, my sit pad and other things here underneath the crest of this hump, and try to get that leveled out somewhat, so I'm a little bit more level on the sleeping pad. Give it a try anyway. It'll work. Just one night. So that's it. Going to bed early. It's only about 9 o'clock. Just a hair after. Gonna get up early tomorrow, and about 10 miles to go or so. Depends upon how you read the map, and ways to go. We'll see what we can do.